Hello students. Today we are going to discuss conjunctions. Now conjunctions, the most important for IELTS writing module. Many students make the mistake of whereas, while. How do we use whereas and while? Let me tell you. Conjunctions, whereas and while, they both can be used for comparison. Now let me tell you, let me just clear the concept. Comparison can be of the same quality between two different things. And what about the contrast? These two terms, they are important to understand. The second one, contrast, it could be the difference between two things or the different aspect of the same thing. Right? There is a difference. Comparison we do between two distinct things, and contrast, this contrast can be between two things or only two aspects of the same thing. Now, how do we use a whereas and while? The main question. Whereas, let's see an example. Aslam favors to visit America, while whereas Ali prefers to visit Germany. Now, here while and whereas both can be used. Now, which are those sentences or which are those parts where we only have to use whereas? Here goes the example. Now, whereas will be used only and only when there is a comparison between two different things, right? After whereas, there should be a complete clause. It means that after that, you cannot end up if there is only subject or verb. Both should be present. And just look at this example. Aslam favors to visit America. Before while and whereas, you have to use a comma, right? Now you understand where to use whereas. Whereas when you are going to differentiate between two different bodies or things. Now while, it can be used to differentiate between two things, and while can also be used to highlight the two aspects of the same thing, right? Now while writing, especially IELTS writing task 2, you have to keep it in your mind that while using while and whereas, because these two conjunctions may result in loss of your score. So take care of these two conjunctions. Thank you.